Welcome to the Learning Garden. Today we are going to talk about adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us more about a person, place, or thing. Adjectives make sentences more fun because they help us imagine things better. Look at this apple. It's big and red. The words big and red are adjectives because they describe the apple. Now, look at this car. It is small and blue. Small and blue are adjectives too. How about this boy? This boy is happy. The word happy is an adjective because it describes how he feels. Now it's your turn. I'll show you a picture, and you say an adjective or a word that best describes it. Are you ready? This is a truck. Can you describe the truck?
The truck is long.
Yes. Long is an adjective because it describes the truck. This is a dog. Can you describe the dog?
The dog is brown.
Yes. Brown is an adjective because it describes the dog. How about this girl? What adjective can you think of to describe her?
The girl is scared.
Yes. Scared is an adjective because it describes how the girl feels.
Very good. You're doing a great job.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.